Hey, so I wanted to talk to you guys about skin rolling and doing different techniques that help you in areas that your muscles might feel stuck or constricted. So your fascia tissue, the myofascial tissue, kind of acts like saran wrap that intertwines between your muscles and your tendons and everything underneath your skin. And it can become really tight and keep your muscles from being able to release as well. So you've got to work on myofascial release. Some of that can be done with a foam roller if you are familiar with foam rolling. And what that does is it's actually pressing on the areas and you're rolling back and forth. So it's pressing on the tissue. Now what I'm going to show you about skin rolling and how to do it is that you actually pick up, kind of pinch that tissue and roll. So what I'm going to show you, because a lot of the breathing techniques and everything that I go through with you guys is to do your deep breathing. So you want rib cage expansion, opening up from the front, from the back, and on the side. Like an umbrella, it closes down and opens up on all sides. You want your rib cage to be able to open up all sides, front, back, and to the side. So I'm going to show you through rib cage. What you want is when you feel like you're not getting any rib cage expansion, you want to do skin rolling. And you can do skin rolling through all parts of your body, but what you do is you basically pick up on the skin and you roll it down. And you can roll back up. Now, what I want you to show you is you can pick it up and you can roll to the side and back and get as far as you can up and go to different areas. Now, what I'm going to show you is as I get towards this middle area, I have a hard time picking that skin up. That's what you call being stuck in some areas. It's harder, it's a little more tender to do, and it can be a little uncomfortable, but you really want to work on those areas. So you want to try to pinch it. And that's where in the middle, I can't get it because it's stuck. So you're gonna pick it up and roll it. Now, if you happen to have had a C-section, it's a good idea to roll on that scar. So you're gonna get down and you're gonna pick up and you're gonna roll up and down over it. I want you to go sideways and go across as well. Some areas in the back, if you can pick up and kind of roll to the front and go to the back, then you can get back as far as you can and help your rib cage, the back body expansion. That's where a lot of us are super, super tight. So when I talk about back body expansion, I'm talking deep inhale, expanding. You see front expansion, back expansion. You can't see from the side because I'm sitting sideways, and then exhale. And it all coming in together. So if you're not getting a lot of expansion, you need to be rolling, skin rolling in those areas to help you get that deep breathing so that when you exhale, you are also getting your diaphragm down and out, and or inhale down and out, and then exhale, the pelvic floor tightens and lifts, and the diaphragm lifts as well and contracts whenever you exhale. So you want that connection happening together instead of exhaling and putting pressure down onto your pelvic floor. That's where we see leaks happening and prolapse and stuff like that. So you can also, do your leg and grab areas that are tight and skin roll. Just focus on areas that you feel like you have soreness or tightness. You can do the inside adductors and just relax your leg and grab and pinch and kind of go down. You're separating that myofascial tissue. So that's what I want you to focus on as far as skin rolling, and do that at least 3 days a week, trying to focus on either skin rolling or add in foam rolling, and do that for several times a week to help you as far as getting more range of motion and mobility out of your exercises and your deep breathing.